Imagine a world where the boundaries of vision slowly surrender to a creeping haze, where colors fade, edges blur, and the once familiar faces of loved ones become indistinct shadows in the twilight. For millions of people around the globe, this isn't a distant dystopia, but an everyday struggle. Cataracts and glaucoma, the silent thieves of sight, are the world's leading causes of irreversible blindness. The loss isn't just a matter of sight. It's a loss of independence, of connection, of the simple pleasures we so often take for granted. And yet, what if the answer to holding on to your vision isn't solely found in the sterile lights of an operating room, but in the vibrant colors of your daily meals? What if, hidden in the nutrients we consume, lies a powerful shield, a silent guardian that stands between us and the encroaching darkness? Every 72 seconds, someone in the United States is diagnosed with glaucoma, a condition that stealthily erodes the optic nerve, often without warning until it's too late. Over half of all Americans over the age of 80 develop cataracts, a clouding of the eye's lens that turns the world into a perpetual fog. Behind every statistic is a life changed, a grandmother who can no longer see her grandchildren's smiles, an artist whose brushstrokes are now guesses in the dark. But amid these sobering numbers, emerging research is shining a hopeful light. Recent scientific breakthroughs suggest that the simplest acts, choosing the right foods, supplementing wisely, may unlock powerful defenses for our eyes. For years, the conversation around fighting blindness revolved around surgical advances. But a quiet revolution is taking place, one that starts long before a scalpel ever touches the eye. Researchers are now turning their attention to the microscopic defenders within our diets, specific vitamins and minerals that play an outsized role in ocular health. Among them, 6 nutrients have captured the spotlight. They are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, acting as antioxidants to quench harmful free radicals, bolstering the eye's natural repair systems and maintaining the structural integrity of everything from the lens to the optic nerve. These compounds work in harmony, forming a protective barrier against the cumulative damage that leads to cataracts and glaucoma. Dr. Anya Sharma, a leading ophthalmologist and researcher, puts it succinctly: we're witnessing a compelling convergence of epidemiological data and molecular insights. The evidence supporting the ocular benefits of certain vitamins is becoming increasingly robust. It's about proactive defense, not just reactive treatment. Dr. Ben Carter, a nutritional biochemist, echoes this sentiment. These aren't magic bullets, but rather crucial components in a holistic approach to eye health. They fortify the body's natural defenses against the very processes that lead to these conditions. Their message is clear. The fight against blindness is being waged at the cellular level, and nutrition is a weapon of immense potential. What are these 6 vital compounds? How do they orchestrate such profound protection within the intricate machinery of the human eye? The answers are as fascinating as they are promising, ranging from the well-known power of vitamin C and E to the essential roles of lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, and vitamin A. Each brings a unique attribute to the table. Some filter harmful blue light, others quench oxidative stress. All contribute to the resilience of our vision. As the science continues to evolve, one truth grows ever clearer. The journey to preserving your sight may begin not just with a doctor's visit, but with the choices you make at every meal, every day. By embracing the protective power of these nutrients, you're not just nourishing your body, you're safeguarding your future. In a world where blindness looms for so many, The decision to empower your eyes with these vital defenses may be the clearest and most life-changing choice you ever make.